wash my face and get it prepped for the makeup because we looking rough.
For our lips. I bought this and it is by Milani. It's a face oil and it's supposed to prep and soothe your skin.
And I might even sit here and say, oh my god, my skin has just been breaking out and I don't know what it is.
My skin has been breaking out because I've been eating Flamin' Hot Doritos, which is a new favorite of mine. Because I've been eating some milk chocolate. Yeah. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'll just kind of like spackle. I might just do my brows and then come back. Okay, hi guys, so today I'm gonna do a blue look and it's gonna be inspired by the new Jeffree Star's palette that just came out called Blue Blood, or Blue Blood. I don't think it's Blue Blood, it's like the TV show. There, I wanted to do some brows, and apparently we're doing bold brows.
On the viewfinder, I'm like, who is that? Because I don't draw my brows on at all. Brow definer, and it's by Revolution Beauty, and it's in dark brown. And if you remember, I added some oil beforehand. Milani Prep and Soothe Camellia Face Oil. Today,
I'm not really sure what kind of video I'm doing specifically. Like, I don't have a title in mind at the moment. But I do have a lot of new products that I picked up from Ulta. And I don't know, I just want to do a video where I'm able to use whatever products I want. And if you know me, if you don't know me, I, started with a lot, like most of it.
All of it.
Drugstore makeup, because that's really what I could get my hands on, like say if we went to CVS or we went to Walmart or Target or something like that. Honestly, that's kind of where I've stayed.
I still really enjoy a lot of drugstore brand products like NYX, like Maybelline, like Wet n Wild, like
all of those brands still are coming out with quality products. I've been using a certain foundation routine, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that on this video so you can see. And also, I know Jeffree Star just launched his new palette called Blue Blood, which is so gorgeous. It's so beautiful, so blue, and to anyone out there that loves to work with color and be creative, that is like a dream come true, because it's just a stunning palette.
But realistically, are you going to be somebody that's going to be using that day and night and for everyday looks? Probably not. So
will you go and splurge on a palette like that, versus going and buying multiple drugstore products?
Probably not. At least I wouldn't.
I love the idea of people coming out and brands coming out with, one color range of eyeshadows, lipsticks, lip glosses, and all that stuff. But at the moment, I have not purchased that palette. Would I love to?
Yes.
But actually, while I was at Ulta, I saw that they had this really colorful NYX palette. And so it's called the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is the Brights edition. So here is the packaging of it. You can see it has all the colors of the rainbow.
What's nice is that it came with one of these little plastic covers for your eyeshadow so that they don't, hopefully they don't break and just kind of get powdery everywhere. Look at all of those colors. Like I'm going to use all of these colors for different color tutorials coming up.
But I have not seen many drugstore brands come out with beautiful bright colors like this. So I was obviously gravitating toward it when I was in the store, and I couldn't decide, but I was like, you know what?
If I'm going to buy some colorful palettes, I'm going to start somewhere, and it's going to be somewhere inexpensive.
I had a tester, so I was able to swatch some of these colors and see the true pigmentation of them. I couldn't believe how pigmented they were.
Just look at this whole row of blues. Like seriously? Look at those rows of blue. They're beautiful.
We're going to be sticking right here on this row with these blues right here. And yeah, just kind of see what look I create today. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys this palette, because if you're looking to get into color and not spend $30 to $40 on a palette, then try this out. Prime time. My primers, obviously I want them to hold the makeup on really well. while at the same time blurring my pores.
So I've really been enjoying these two drugstore foundations, and you've probably seen me use them in other videos.
But one I really haven't talked about is this one right here. I've been really enjoying this foundation right here. It's the E.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation.
And it's an oil-free satin finish. Color I have is Sand, which is a light medium with neutral undertones.
And then I like to mix it with this
L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear in 455.
I like to mix these two together. They just give a better shade for my skin tone. And also they both wear and mix together great.
But yeah, both have plenty of shades if you wanted to go check those out. Plain, I just washed my hands.
You see right there. It's a little thick. She a little thick.
This pump is super controlled. Like, I can do like the tiniest amount.
Look, like that was like literally one drop. I'm gonna take it. There's really no technique to this. And that E.l.f. foundation, the Flawless Finish foundation, it has such a nice light smelling fresh smell to me. That's what I smell. Like, it just smells really good to me. So yeah, now we take our Eco Sponge. So I'm back and I curled my hair.
Okay, I'm a little scared to do the concealer first.
This new 16-hour E.l.f. Camo concealer, and this is in medium. This is in medium peach, and it looks super light, but trust me, it's not gonna be that light once it sets because it does oxidize some. So yeah, it's gonna look super light. Don't pay attention to that so much. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna set that concealer here. We're gonna be sticking to this blue row. You're gonna see as I use this palette how pigmented they are, and you can judge whether or not you think it's a dupe palette for the Jeffree Star Cosmetic. You know, of course not all of his shades because he has tons of shades in his palette. This is only a row of 4 shades, but you can get, you know, the same inspiration and the same type of blue look from this palette. You know, that's what I'm trying to say, is that, you know, you don't necessarily need to go out and buy all of these new products that are coming out or new palettes that they're releasing.
There's many other colors in that palette, so you're able to also do orange looks, yellow looks, green looks, purple looks, pink looks. It's not just one range of colors in the palette.
I thought that would be cool to do a look with. If you'd like to see me create that look, then just keep watching. The lightest color that I'm going to put on my transition shade. Ooh, look at that, it's pretty. And I'm going to just start by patting it on my outer crease first so that I can slowly blend it in and then just lay the base color down. With this color, I really want it to be very light and look very like blown out and pastel. So at this point, a lot of the product is now gone. It's off of the brush, and now we're just taking it and lightly diffusing it into our crease. It's a beautiful turquoise color. It's there.
Hello, she's there. I get an even smaller, fluffy, tapered brush like this.
And so the first color we got was this one right here, and then the second color I'm going to go in with is going to be a little deeper, and it's going to be this one right here. I'm going to try to just get some, deepen up the crease. Good. So you can see right there we started to deepen up the crease already. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to lay down the color like this, blend it in into the crease, and then swirl it up in small circular motions like that. But once you get to this point where you're deepening it up, you don't necessarily need to blend too much because we want to keep that deeper color right here. Like.
Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye off camera.
If I close my eyes, you can see the deeper blue right here. Now I can't decide if I want to use this one or this one as my lid color. Hopefully it comes out how I want it to come out. And surprisingly, there has not been a lot of fallout. I should have Okay, so I'm back with the lid color on, and at first I was like, okay, these shades of blue are totally different from each other, which is fine. But then as I kept packing on the color, it really started to come out a lot more in my eyes. And this last blue color that I picked up
does have some fallout, so you'll see a little bit that's fallen down on my face right here.
All of this that I applied was without any like Fix Plus setting spray. That's really good because now I'm fixing to use it with some Fix. And since our eyes are so bold, we're just gonna go in by E.l.f. and it's very matte, as you can see. Again, it has a primer in it, so it makes the skin look super smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and use this as my eyeliner.
Spray this blue one more time with the setting spray. This is that sapphire blue.
This highlight popping right.
Look at it, it's all blue. Yeah.
I just lined my eyes.
Here's the finished look. I had to run out of the house earlier because I needed to go pick up a friend.
But yeah, here's the look in natural lighting. Eyeliner, like, completely ignore it. I was in a rush because
my liner is a little choppy at the top and probably very uneven.
But the idea is just to add a winged liner. You can see it's very choppy. But let's look at the blend.
So we're just gonna ignore the liner.
Today is a very cloudy day, so I'm gonna show you how it looks outside. 1 second. Okay, so you can see that it's springtime, but today is very cloudy, chilly, cool all day. So no filters, no lighting, nothing to make it look better. And I just went with a baby pink lip gloss just because I needed to throw something on. I did not put any eyeshadow on my bottom lash line, which I probably should have, but I think this makes it a little less bold. It still is very bold, don't get me wrong. It's blue, of course it's bold.
But as intense, you know, like bam bam boom, it's just kind of like bam. Also didn't get a chance to go back over my eyebrows. I would have, you know, liked to perfect them and shape them a little bit more.
Well, I'm trying to zoom you in to that inner corner highlight. Do you see that? Okay. And we're done. And that's the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end this video because it's been way too long. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the look come together.
If you ever wanted to kind of see what it's like on the wild side,
definitely try out this product. It is definitely worth your money, I believe. I really just wanted to come on here and create this look and hopefully inspire you guys to play around with color, especially if you're not somebody who plays around with different colored eyeshadows other than, you know, your neutral tones and your warm tone. But try something new, you know, even if it's just like a pop of color, even if it's just like adding color into your transition or into, you know, even your highlight. Like I have a blue highlight on and it looks great once it's, you know, once you put it together. I know sometimes when you're barely starting and say you just start with your eyes, it looks a little crazy, but trust me, all you have to do is trust yourself, and
in the end, sometimes it does all come together, sometimes it doesn't, but
you know, give it a try. If you like it, great, try it again, and I'm pretty sure the second and third time that you go and you try that look, it's gonna look a lot better. I really hope you guys enjoyed this Blue Blood inspired makeup look. If you saw the new palette or if you went out and got one, let me know, and I would love to check out your look with the Blue Blood palette, because I don't know, it was really fun to create this look. Tuning into this look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and comment what you thought. Any good or bad feedback is welcome. Please let me know if you hated it, if you loved it, or if you just liked it and thought it was okay. And I guess that's it. If you're not a part of the family and you'd love to become a part of the family, then also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when a new video goes up and watch it right away. You know, support your girl. Why not? You know, support a friend, support a family member, be a bud, be a real one. Thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, spread good vibes, be a nice person. All right, bye. That's my beast barking. He's crazy.
now when I go back and look at this footage, you're gonna be focused, bitch. You're gonna be focused.
Okay, let me cut this.